everyone. Hi, Craft Angels. Welcome back to your weekly devotional, day 31. And we are doing the 100 Days of Grace and Gratitude, a devotional journal by Shauna Noel. And we are day 31. And it is, He is jealous for you. Have you ever been jealous? If you have, then you know the hurt when someone you want attention from gives it to someone else. You can be a parent who wants a child who misses a child that would rather spend time with friends, or your best friend moved away and doesn't keep in touch because she's made new friends. The bottom line is that they would rather be somewhere else or with someone else, and it hurts. Have you thought? Oh boy. Wait, okay. I lost myself. Have you thought that Jesus feels the same way? He loves you and yearns for time and attention with you. You're not just any grain of sand on the beach. You are special to him. He wants you to be with him, to share about your life and receive his love today, tomorrow, and the next day. He is jealous for you. Okay, let me get something else because I can't. That thing is too big for my hand. You are never to bow down to another God, because Yahweh, being jealous by nature, is a jealous God. You were called by him into fellowship. But as for me, God's presence is my good. Mine too. Do you think it's without reason the scripture says that the Spirit who lives in us yearns jealousy? Prayer. Lord, thank you for loving me so much that you literally yearn to be with me. I want to be with you now because you are the one true, stable source of peace and fulfillment in my life. And this concludes day 31 for your weekly devotional. I will see y'all next week for day 32 and the Grace and Gratitude devotional journal. Bye-bye for now.